Today I'm going to show you another way to unclog your sink. I let the water run. The water doesn't flow as fast as it should be. So once I get the water turned off, you see the water stays there. It takes a long time for the water to recede. So what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to disconnect the stopper, step one, and then I'm going to remove the P-trap. And my plan is to remove the P-trap and clear out whatever debris is there. And hopefully it'll solve my problem. I think it will because the water backup is not much. The water do eventually recede. So I got this monkey wrench and it's not too tight. I just wanted to use it to loosen it up. Then I could take rest of the way with my hand. So you see, there's nothing much in there. I got this rod in there in case anything, just clear up whatever debris I could. And then I'm putting it back. But you want to make sure the rubbers are there. You see the green rubber there, and there's another white plastic rubber there as well. You want to make sure that's there because it helps seal between the two connections. You don't want any water leak. You don't want anything leaking out. So it's very important that you have some sort of gasket there to prevent that from happening. So you hand tighten it, and once you got it where you need to be, you use a wrench. It could be a channel lock, or you could use a monkey wrench like me, or a plumber's wrench, whatever you call it, and just do a quarter of a turn. You don't want to go crazy with it because this aluminum, it's soft, or the plastic sometimes would be very soft to work with. So last thing left to do under the sink is the stopper. So put the stopper in. It's time for a test. The water is running well. Nothing is holding up. Water is moving fast. You just save time and money.